Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. In this session, we are going to discuss about set operations in SQL Server. Set operations is SQL are used to combine or manipulate the result sets of multiple select queries. Okay, they allows you to perform operations similar to those in set theory, such as union, intersection, and difference on the data retrieved from the different tables and the different queries. Okay, set operations also provide like powerful tools to manage the managing and manipulating data, enabling you to analyze and combine information in various ways. Okay, there are four primary set operations in SQL Server. One is union, intersect, except or minus, union. Okay, what is union? Union operator combines the results from two tables into a single result set. It removes the duplicates by default, meaning that there are identical rows in the result sets. Okay, only one instance of each row will appear in the final result. Basically, union all will not fetch the duplicate rows. Okay, compared to union all, vice versa. Okay, intersect operator returns the common rows that exist in the results from two tables into the select queries. Okay, it will return only distinct rows that appears in all result sets. We will check the examples once this is done. Okay. Next, except or minus. The except operator, also known as a minus in some databases, returns a distinct rows that are present in the result set of the first select query but not in the result set of the second select query. Okay, we will see the examples now. Union all operator performs the same function as the union operator, but does not remove the duplicates from the result set. It simply concatenates all rows from the different result sets. As I said, it won't remove the duplicates. It will fetch the data as it is from the both the tables. Okay. So let's check the data now. So let's create a tables, table 1, table 2, ID, name. Okay. Done. And let insert the data. John alias Bob. Alias is the duplicate row, and common thing there is alias only. Let's see. We will check the all set operators. Okay, three rows inserted. Now let's check the union. Union, as we know, union operator is used to combine result sets of two or more select statements. It remove the duplicates. Okay, let me show you that. It won't it's remove the duplicate rows. We can see that, right? Five rows. 1 2 3 4 5. Let me insert one more row in the table. ID 2. Okay, let's check the union first. So okay, 5 rows we got. Okay, see, some 4 is the ammo is the duplicate row in the table, that's not fetched. Okay, next, combine view intersect. Let's see what it will give. So intersect operator returns only the rows that common from the both result sets. Okay, so alias is the common. See, so if you will see here, so 2 id number 2 is the common. Okay, in both the tables you need to check both the tables, not single table. Okay, it will fetch the common thing in the both the tables. Intersect. Let's check the expect. So expect operator returns only the rows present in the first result set but not in the second result set. Okay, see, John Bob. See, first result set, it will compare the data. It first result set, John Bob is not there. Alias already is there in the second table, second result set. That is the reason it's fetched the John and Bob is in the first result set. Okay, in real-time environments, you can use whatever the scenarios you have. Okay. Now union all 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 is the first table data, and 2 4 5 4 is the second table data. It won't bother about the duplicates. It will fetch all the result set. Okay, this is the difference between union all. Okay, union all, see 7 rows we got. Let me show you the union. So in union we got 5 rows, right? Duplicate rows, it's removed. That is the difference between union and union all. Okay, one of the difference. So if you want to create a view, right, this is the create view name as select statements. Okay, let's check it. Create view. Okay, so select star from view. See, we got identical rows in the union all. Okay, so this is the difference between 4 set operators: union all, intersect, and expect. Okay, it will be useful in real-time environments to analyzing the data in tables. Okay, if this is about set operators in today's session. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and hit the like button if you are watching first time. Thank you. Bye bye.